going to cook fireless yummy choco shapes. Actually, I'm going to turn ordinary plain sponge cake into yummy choco shapes. Now let's start the video. Things you needed are sponge cake, chocolate, sprinkles, Nutella, cookie cutter. Take the sponge cake and crush it with your hands nicely. Add Nutella. Mix it well. Add some milk to give moisture. Make a dough. Take a part and roll it well to make a ball. Take the ball, put it into the cookie cutter to make the shape. You can also use your hands to make the shape. I am using cookie cutter to make the shape. Keep the shapes in fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, spread it with melted chocolate and decorate it with sprinkles. Now our choco shapes are ready. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.